Do subscribe to my channel and press the little bell icon to get notified for my new videos. Welcome back to Disha Cooks. Today, let's learn how to make a Frankie. Let's take a bowl of maida to make our dough for the Frankie. Add salt to it. A pinch of baking powder. To make the dough soft, I'm gonna add a spoon of fresh cream. Now mix all this properly. Take enough water to make a soft dough. The dough is now ready. Add a little oil and let it rest. Cover this dough with a wet cloth and let it rest for some time. For the Frankie paste, take a bowl of coriander, a bowl of mint, add a little sugar, few cumin seeds, garlic, chilies and ginger, chopped onions, salt, and squeeze half piece of lemon. I have blended this mixture and it's now ready. For the Frankie patties, take 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Here I have not added salt in the potatoes. This is 2 slices of bread. I have soaked it in water for around 10 minutes. This is ginger chili paste. Take 1 spoon of it. Amchur powder or dry mango powder. Black salt. Add salt very carefully as our paste also has salt. Take 1 big spoon of the paste which we just made and a little coriander. Now mix all this carefully. We have added the soaked bread for binding. Take a little mixture and give it this shape. First, heat the pan. Now flip them and cook on the other side. The patties is now ready. Here I have rolled the dough and now let's cook it. Don't cook it too much. Take it off the flame. First, take a Frankie roll, a little ketchup, and this is the chutney which we made before. Now place the patties in the center. Place a few onion rings on it. Sprinkle a little chaat masala. Now wrap it tightly. Let's roast it using a little butter. Place this Frankie here. Let it cook till it turns golden brown. Once all the sides turn golden brown, take it off the flame. Our Frankie is now ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.